Welcome back, scientists. I hope you are ready to learn about something that is so small but so very important. What is it? It is atoms. If you would like to make notes about your learning, you'll find a link to this organiser in the description panel below. Atoms are considered to be the building blocks of matter. Look around you. Everything you can see is made of matter. Matter is made out of atoms. This ball is made out of atoms, so is this pencil, even this iPad. Atoms are so small you would need a special machine to be able to see them. No, not this machine, a machine that scientists use. It takes a lot of atoms to make anything. Someone on the internet suggested that an ant's brain alone could contain more than 25,000 atoms. Wow! Good scientists question, inquire and wonder. Take a minute. Can you think of any questions you have about atoms? Write them down or share them with a friend. What makes up an atom? At the centre of an atom is a thing called the nucleus. This is made up of protons and neutrons. Spinning and orbiting around the nucleus are things called electrons. The nucleus is in the centre of the atom. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge and help make up the nucleus. Neutrons have no charge. They also help to make up the nucleus. Electrons have a negative charge. Electrons spin and orbit around the nucleus. Now would be a great time to question, inquire and wonder. Write down any ideas or questions you have on your organiser or share them with a friend. Let's recap. Atoms. Matter is made out of atoms. Atoms are so small that you can't see them without a special machine. It takes a lot of atoms to make anything. Atoms contain protons, neutrons and electrons. Important. The learning in this lesson is just like an atom. It's a very small part about a massive topic. If you'd like to learn more, look at my next lesson on states of matter. Ka kite anō. See you again.